Okay, today I just wanted to go over the screen reading assignment. In this case, one of the most important things I think to marketing, at least online marketing, is getting good content that is readable. Um, so I want you to watch some of the articles. Hopefully, I fixed the links. I know some people emailed me and said the links weren't working. I don't know. They were opening for me, maybe because they were on my computer. Hopefully, these ones work. You don't necessarily have to use this starting article. You can use any article you want for this assignment. I just want you to learn how to reformat the content so that it is easily readable, and that's sort of um, what the writing talks about here, my writing. And then, of course, make sure you watch the video on the F pattern. This one right here, where she talks about the importance of the F pattern, okay? And then she talks about how to split the content up into usable information with headers and so on. So I also have included a new rewriting of a blog post. So a lot of my blog posts on Zircon.com there's a lot of them there, and they're all kind of just written from top down. They're not very well, formatted. And so what I'm looking for you to do is to reformat the content. You don't necessarily need to rewrite the content. If you want to rewrite it and make it better, that would be great, but reformat. So if you see the beginning here, this is the current blog post right here, and then down below here is a rewritten one. Kind of like the way that she talks about in the video, where you use headers, okay, and you put content in paragraph form here. Okay, so you see using headers and format. You could do this in Word if you would like. You can do it in any format, but what I'm looking for you to do is use headers and chunk the data. Maybe use bullets would be good, or numbering. So if you use the example here under this rewriting this example assignment right here, if you want to use the current article right here, I want you to remove some of the data, probably half of the text that is in this article, and just take out the most important things and put them into, like I said, paragraphs, maybe bullet some of the information, and use headers, which would be bigger text, like you see here. So again, hopefully the link works. If it doesn't work, I think it works. So when I click on it, it opens. I think I reformatted it. If not, use the use one of my links from my blog. If you click here, you'll see it goes to the Zircon blogs. You can rewrite any of these. They all need reformatting. Not necessarily rewriting, but they just need to format it. You know what I mean? They do have some bullets down here. That's not too bad, but some of this text could be removed possibly. It needs headers. You know what I mean? And so you can rewrite one of my blogs. Maybe I'll just use it on my page, because somebody's going to have to go and rewrite all that. The other thing you can look at again is here, and I just want to refresh. The Moz website is a lot of the content that I have for this can come from the site for what we're going to learn. Again, some of the things that I talked about in my last video was title tags, meta tags. This week also was the information on images. The alt tag is the text that is applied to an image. So a lot of these things that are in this list right here, we will talk about. We're going to do a schema example right here, and then I'll talk a little bit about the robot.txt. So a lot of the things you see here, we're going to talk about in class. The other thing I linked up is this guy's video right here on creating successful content, because I guess the whole purpose of me talking about rewriting an article is that I want you to start thinking about content and how the content is written. So if you could go through as well, I linked this up to the assignment as well right here. So watch this guy's video. Talks about writing successful content for marketing. And then turn this in. I'll change the date to a little bit later, because I know today is a Saturday. The something, I don't know. We'll make the date a little bit. Let's make it on the 15th. So you have a couple days to complete this. I know the links weren't working and so on, so we'll extend the date. And then please send me your idea of all I'm looking for as far as the topic idea is just to look online and try and find a topic that you could write about, right? This article is about writing. I want you to look about how to write content for online. So send me an idea that you could use for a final marketing proposal as well.